Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, as you guys can see, we have another exciting unboxing again today. Yay! Anyway, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are interested in anything that's bag related. Let's continue to build this family. And to my continuing supporters and my subscribers, I love you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. All right guys, so as I stated, this is another exciting unboxing. I know you guys came here for this, so let's get into this. And then I'll just give you guys a little story time on how I got this item, okay? So, look, I got my new ceramic box opener because that other one was not working. So we got this. Okay, let's open this. And let's get this part. So while I'm opening this box, I am super, can you guys guess what it is, which bag I got? So let's see. Okay, let me just get all of these items from here. Ooh. Okay, and let's get this box out the way. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, guys, so let's move this over here and let's get the camera straight up. Sorry about that. All right, so if you guys can see, I know I did another unboxing a couple of weeks back, and you guys know how much I had a great experience with this company. So I decided to order another item from them. As you can see, this is from Rebag. Yay! So can you guys guess exactly what I got? All right, so let's do 3, countdown, 2, 1, and let's unbox this beauty right here. So let's get this open. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see by the dust bag, it's an item from Gucci. Yay! All right. So this item did come with the dust bag. It didn't come with the box, but it came with the dust bag. And honestly, I don't really care about the box because I have so much box that if it comes with the dust bag, I'm okay with it. So let's just move all of this stuff out of the way. Okay. And then we'll get into what it is that I got from Gucci. Okay, guys? Okay. All right. They put so much bubble wrap, but I'm so happy they did. As you guys know, from Rebag, you got the certified by Rebag. This is the authentication card to show that the item is authentic. And as you can see exactly what I got on the card. Now, let's see if you guys can guess the color. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, I picked up the Gucci Dionysus in the size small, as you guys can see, in the pink. Oh my God, guys, look at this beauty. This is so beautiful. And this was in very good condition. Oh my God. All right. Let's see how we open it. So you open the clasp right here. It got the double, oh my God, it got the double claps. Look at the inside, guys. There's no Tupperware, nothing on the inside, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. This thing literally looked like brand new. All right, what's on this side? Oh my God, all of the paperwork is on here. And let me put this down for right now. What is this? So it looked like it got like extra material. Is this? Oh wow. I didn't even know this actually come with it. I'm not sure if it's ripped from the back. I gotta take a look, but I don't think so. I think this is just extra material. It has the Gucci booklet. It has I guess the Gucci control number or something already. Wow, this has everything. This have everything that you would want a bag to have, honestly speaking. So as you guys can see, honestly, I don't see any type of wear at all on this bag. And one thing that I love about Rebag, they're so difficult in rating that if they said it's a very good condition, it's in very good condition, guys. Because look at this. There's no type of wear, any type of stain on this bag. Let's get the front. Nothing. Literally, it looks brand new. It looked like the person that probably had this barely even used this. Like, honestly speaking, this looks so good. And then it has the Rebag tag right here that just basically, I don't think if you want to return it, make sure you don't cut the tags. But if you do not want to return it, then this is what it is, guys. So this is in the size small. So this is the new size small. And crazy story time, okay, guys. So I went into the Gucci store in my shopping center, and I asked. So I looked for this exact bag because I was looking maybe um like in um like in white or green or whatever, just the ones that they had on display, okay, guys. So I went in it and I'm like, how much is the new small? Because this is exactly what it is. This is the small right here, guys. Guess how much it is at the Gucci store? $3,300 for this bag. Yes, guys. You hear me right? For the size small, it's $3,300 for this exact size small. Okay, guys. So I asked what was because this bag come in super mini, small, and medium. Those are the size that this bag come in. The Gucci Dionysus. So the super mini, which is the very small one, was like 1,100. Okay. Yes, guys. So anyway, so I end up getting this from Rebag. They had a sale on it. It was like literally 1,400. It looked like they had just listed it. Okay. So Rebag gave me $100 credit, right? I was like, oh, okay, well, let me see what they have since they give me $100 credit. So they gave me $100 credit. They loaded into my account. So I went and looked. Literally, like this was, yeah, yeah, 1485. I think that's what they listed it. And they also gave me like a special code that I could use for that day when I order or something like that. So I end up getting like almost $300 off from that 1,400. So for the size mini, I basically, for the size small, this is the size small. I'm sorry, guys. So for this size small, I pay the price of the size mini if you go buy it in the Gucci boutique. Yeah, guys, so I paid the same price for this almost brand new because this is literally in pristine condition. This is not even in very good condition to me. Like, this is in pristine condition. I'm sorry. Like, I don't really see any really mark. Like, there's a little like scuff right here if you guys can see, but it's like barely like, look at it, guys. It's like a little tiny scuff right there. But beside that, I don't see anything wrong at all with this bag. Like, literally, guys, look at the inside. Look at the inside. No stain, nothing. Look at the inside, guys. Nothing. So this item also, I had put this as a like on Fashion File because I was looking at this item for a while, so I had put like a heart on the ones that Fashion File had. Even with Fashion File, like even with this size, right? It literally is going for almost $2,000, and it's not even in this condition. Like many of the ones that I saw, kind of had like stains in it and stuff like that. The leather on here was like little scuff and like mark and everything. This, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Like, I don't even know. Like, look at this. Like, even with look at the hardware. Like, even the hardware is in pristine condition. Like, I know Rebag is very hard in rating their bag, and I'm so happy about that because honestly speaking, this bag literally looked like I got it from the Gucci boutique. Like, look at the bag. Can you guys see that? Like, you have a little bit of, well, it's not even, because I think over time with the hardware itself, but as you can see, the clasp on the top, it's a little bit like not really tarnished, but you can see a little wear on it, like right here. but that's part of it because of the type of hardware it has. But even at that, like, I'm even looking at this hardware itself. You can't see really nothing, not even a scratch or anything on the hardware. And then on the clasp, this hardware right here, which is so beautiful. Like, this is, oh my God, like, don't get me wrong, I have my Gucci Mamant, which has the double G, but this is so classy. And in this color, guys, look at the pink. It is really that really pretty, pretty, pretty. I don't even know if you guys can see it close, like through the color, but it's really that really pretty pink. Like, look at this. Let me just do one more turn around so we can see it. As you guys can see. And I'm going to stuff this after I finish making this video. And then let's check the sides out. Nothing in the sides. Look at the edge. Nowhere on the piping. And let's check this side out. Literally, guys, nothing. Like, this is literally close to perfection. Like, I can't see anything at all. No mark, nothing. So anyway, guys, so this was the unboxing for today. I'm so happy to add this beauty to my collection. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.